Right Honorable Prime Minister.
Enganzi hanga Robina Nabanja nuwe yajuchera mukuru wihanga mukoro gwihanga go kwijuka ekiro ky'amamanzi cyo murundu gwana na gumwe ogwaba hacishayi kororo kandi enganzi hanga yabanza no kurambura emedara. Ars Kaboyo or Minister wa State habwenshonga za Rwero Triangle yahamya ku government ero kwija kongera kwera bankazirwanaho.
It's also a major issue of family divisions that has affected the ability of our veterans to leverage on the support from various government programs. The ministry will continue to organize and sensitize these families about financial literacy and formation of circles for onward access to support from the various government interventions.
The example of our heroes and heroines in this case helps to inspire us to the belief that anything is possible once we dedicate ourselves to an excellent service of our motherland, Uganda.
Omubutumwa bwa mukuru w'ihango bwashomwe enganzi y'ihanga Robina Nabanja, President Museveni yayoreka ebigenero by'abaretiro kuzumucisha ko kuzahura ihangeri nuko kushaba abanya-Uganda okukoresa obusinge hamwe n'obugabo buruho.
There are 4 sectors where households can focus to create jobs and wealth. The 4 sectors are commercial agriculture, industries, that is small or big, services, that's hotels, transport, professional services, shops, etc., and ICT, business process outsourcing. I want to call upon all leaders at all levels to embrace, support, and mobilize the population to take advantage of the funds government is sending to the parish.
Museveni yayoreka ku kirye kiroto cya government ya NRM kubingo bworo aho yashaba abeebembezi hande ngo zona okumanyisa abanya-Uganda enkora ya parish development model.
We are currently doing data collection. We are registering circles, and the registration is free of charge. We are opening up bank accounts for the circles. They are forming groups of enterprises, and their formation is free. Government has put in place 17 million at parish level for the year 2021-2022, and 100 million has been put in the budget of the year 2022-2023.
Abantu 92 nibo bahebwe medali kandi baba barumu na Joel Kakira ow'emyaka 52 y'obukuru owahire government itaka lyokombeka hirwaro rya Mabere Health Center ya Kashatu omu district ya Shema.
The third on the list is Kakira Joel, a male adult of 52 years. Is a businessman, an entrepreneur, and a philanthropist. He donated land to government in 2018 for building Mabere Health Center 3 in Shema district.
Ekiro ky'amamanzi kikijaho bwa nyuma y'abasigaze nkwata butabebembirwe President Yoweri Museveni okutandika ho rutara hagati y'omwaka gwa 1991 hamwe na 1996 orwatwariremo amagara g'abantu bingi nangwa n'amamanzi umwenda gisirwe baziriyo okero mu district ya Rwero. Wa TV West and Aidan Bataringa.